If you don't like this video in the next 3 seconds, you're gonna have 10 years of bad luck. So like the dang video.
Good day, everyone.
Today we are going to tell you all how to make sosis bakar or Indonesian grilled sausage.
Let's check it out.
The ingredient is beef sausage, butter, barbecue sauce, mayonnaise, and spicy mayonnaise.
The equipment is frying pan, cutting board, and knife.
First, wash the sausage using clean water. Soak it for about 10 minutes to melt down the ice.
After that, cut each edges of sausages using a knife.
Then, heat the frying pan and put the butter into it.
Next, put the sausages into the frying pan and cook them until it turns brown. Then, pour the sausages with the barbecue sauce. Next, put the sausages in the clean plate. Last, apply the regular mayonnaise and spicy mayonnaise on top of that.
And the grilled sausages are ready to be enjoyed.